Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't so far. Nature is beautiful. Each place has got its peculiarity. Today, we are going to see a wonderful place in Australia. It has got its own speciality and uniqueness. The place where we will be visiting now is Burrill Lake in New South Wales, Australia. Burrill Lake is about 260 kilometers from Sydney. It takes maximum 4 hours to reach. Very nice drive. Now, what is special about this Burrill Lake? There is a beautiful resort at the entrance of Burrill Lake, and you will find very huge 4 or 5 trees at the entrance of that particular resort. Now, what happens there? If you reach that place at about 2:45 in the afternoon, you won't find anything special like birds or nothing special like that, But if you wait for about 3-4 minutes after 2:45, you will notice that hundreds, thousands of rainbow lorikeets, wild parrots, coming from everywhere, and they will start sitting, occupying places on the huge trees. Please note, they will come from everywhere and sit on the trees till 3 o'clock. And what happens after 3 o'clock? When the clock strikes 3 p.m., that is 3 in the afternoon, all these birds, they start coming down on the lawns. They will come down on the lawns. If you are there, standing quiet, they will sit on your head, your shoulders, your arms, everywhere. They are not scared. They are very free and fearless. If food is kept there for these rainbow lorikeets, what is their food? Food is simple. Small pieces of bread, sugar. It's a slurry of bread, sugar and water. So what happens? These birds will be there only for 30 minutes. I repeat, they will be there only for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they again fly away in the skies and they disappear. Yes, they come there only for 35 minutes, they disappear, they come again the next afternoon at about 3 o'clock. This has been happening since 1963. So from 57 years, this is happening without a break. Oh, this is really wonderful. You have to experience this. Come on. I will unfold it before you. See those videos, you will be speechless. Come on, watch it. That's really amazing. Look at it. You don't know or get confused where to look at or which one to feed first. Really fantastic. Unforgettable experience, really. These birds are very noisy, but colorful and very gorgeous. A real treat to watch. Come on, let us see further videos. You will definitely enjoy it. Come on, have a look. Yes, look at it. Hundreds of birds, lorikeets. Oh, they are very friendly. This is an amazing experience for all ages to interact with such beautiful birds. This is the sort of thing that overseas tourists would pay a fortune to see. Oh, that's awesome. No words to describe this wonderful sight. Lifetime experience indeed. No one can forget this. So, this is really unique. After half an hour, they fly away and disappear in the skies, as if they are assuring you that they would be coming next afternoon again at 3 o'clock. Wow, that's great. This is an amazing experience for all ages to interact with such a beautiful creature of nature. You are able to feed the rainbow lorikeets yourself and enjoy these colorful, cheeky and friendly birds. But beware, the lorikeets hang on tight and create a few minor scratches on your hands, but it is definitely worth it. Oh, that's amazing. Unique experience indeed. These are lifetime memories. Oh. Friends, that was a really unique and mesmerizing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And if you like this information and video, please click on the like button. Thank you very much.